This way, Auto Glass Professionals. AGP is the place to be. Get your windshield fixed. Let's go this way. Come on in to Auto Glass Professionals, where we can do dents, we can do cracks, we can do shatters, right? Fix your windshield, folks. This way. Fix your windshield. Auto Glass Hello?
Perk? Somebody said that you're outside with a giant sign?
Well, no, yeah, I'm trying to get people to come to Auto Glass Professionals. I'm trying to like drum up the business, right?
I know you're all about the hoopla, but here at Auto Glass Professionals, we like to keep it straightforward and just business.
No, okay. Okay. Fine. If I can't do the spinning arrow, I'm gonna do this. This'll get him in for sure.
Inflatables? Really?
All right, well, this is definitely the answer. Free donuts to anybody that wants their windshield fixed. Auto Glass Professionals, free donuts. I got glazed, Yeah.
Step away from the donuts. Just come on inside.
I got glazed, I got crullers, I got iced. Okay.
One call does it all at Auto Glass Professionals. Tell them Perk sent you.